Greetings, Earthlings! Crafting DM here. In this short video, we will take a look at how easy it is to convert a cheap mask from the dollar store into something a little bit more badass. If you like what you see on my channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And also you can check me out on Instagram at the Crafting DM. Alright, let's take a look. Like I said, I purchased this mask at the dollar store for $1. I didn't like the neon green paint because it wasn't really what I was going for, but I knew that this mask had solid dry brush potential because of its great texture. To begin, I simply spray painted the mask black with the cheapest black spray paint that Walmart carries. I believe that this can cost me less than $3, and I've used it on a number of projects. Once the mask had completely dried, I dry brushed the entire surface with Apple Barrel's Antique White. I used a large, loose bristled brush to quickly cover the mask. This step took only a few minutes. The most important part is to make sure that your brush is completely dry and lightly brush over the texture of the mask with only a light amount of paint. You can brush the paint out on a piece of cardboard first until you're comfortable that all the globs are out and that the brush is only carrying a nice even light amount. I'm very happy with the way this mask turned out, and I wanted to share with you how easy a cheap mask conversion like this can be. For skeletons in your Halloween decorations, Apple Barrel's Antique White is a must-have. After I finished the mask, I used Antique White to give this styrofoam Halloween wreath some new life. Just remember, if you are painting styrofoam, most aerosol spray paints will melt the material, so it is best to stick with a brush and some acrylic paint. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.